Good afternoon. We are at the Zal property. We're going to be completing a repairability test. We'll be on this left slope, which is south. We have this shingle here, damaged shingle with a missing key there. So we'll do our repair test on that shingle, see how it affects all of those surrounding shingles. I'll give you an overview of all of those surrounding shingles before we get started. For my tools, I'll be using a flat bar, roof snake, hammer, and putty knife. We'll get started by getting all of these shingles unsealed. We use the putty knife to unseal the top shingle. Okay, we have those two top shingles unsealed. Now we'll use the flat bar to unseal the lower shingles. See if there's any difference in those two tools. I will start removing these nails. show you the progress so far. You can see some mat transfer underneath the shingle that we pulled. You can see some right there. Some more mat transfer there. You can see some chunks all across that one we pulled, and we can see where those chunks of matting came from, right here on the bottom of the shingle that we pulled, leaving all of the exposed fiberglass. So we have mat transfer that was caused by the flat bar that we used to unseal that one. And then we'll check underneath these ones. I believe got some mat transfer along here as well. Yeah, we can see some mat transfer there. And this shingle up here was unsealed with the putty knife. So we can see mat transfer caused by the putty knife and the flat bar. You can see the exposed fiberglass left from that mat transfer. Some more mat transfer right there. That's real bad. See the exposed fibers left from that as well. So it looks like either tool that is going to be used, whether it be the flat bar or the putty knife, is going to cause some form of mat transfer, which will be damaging the integrity of that shingle, as it's ripping those chunks of matting off of one shingle, leaving exposed fibers. And then that'll also make it more difficult for those